actually to prevent injury to themselves. If they were to go after the biggest, healthiest animal in a herd, they'd be a lot more likely to get hurt. So wolves are actually very careful about which animals in a herd they try and get. Also notice his large head. Wolves have a 30% larger brain than your domestic dog. They are very smart. All of our wolves here do know their names, but as you can see, they don't always respond when we'd like them to. That big head also houses a lot of jaw muscles. To give you a little perspective, the average dog has about 320 pounds per square inch of jaw strength. The African lion has about 900, and a young, healthy wolf can reach up to 1,500 pounds per square inch of jaw strength.
Oh, I love him.
All right.
I would snap your finger right off.
Now, even with that immense jaw strength, they're only successful at catching their prey 15 to 20% of the time, which means more often than not, they go hungry. They can go for 2 weeks without eating anything, and when they do get a kill, they can eat 20 pounds of meat at one time. He is in here by himself because his mate passed away last year at 16 years old. The average lifespan in captivity can be anywhere from 12 to 17 years, while the average lifespan in the wild is 4 to 6 years. The number one killer of wild packs is fighting, or the number one killer of wild wolves is fighting between packs. Second most common cause of death is disease and starvation, and the third is humans. Because they don't face any of these threats in captivity, they live a lot longer. Wolves will mourn the loss of their mates. Micah has come out of that mourning period now, but due to his age and how long they were paired together, it is unlikely he will accept a new mate.